Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at variable assignment in Python. So variable is a name attached to a particular object. In Python, variables do not need to be declared or defined in advance. The syntax to create a variable in Python is using an equal sign to assign the variable a value, and then you start using it. So in the first code block here, we have a print statement. We're printing a string. Hi, my name is Harry Potter. And here in the second code block, we can start to introduce variables. So we have one variable here, first name. We use the equal operator here to assign it a value, Harry. And then we have a second variable, last name, and we assign it a second string, Potter. So now that we've run the second code block, we now have two variables. So one is first name, one is last name. And to display the value of a variable, this can be done by calling the defined variable. So like below, we type first name, it will then show the output. So the object for the first name variable, which will be Harry. And similarly, if we want to repeat this for last name, we can add a code block and we just pass in last name. And then we have the output here. And an alternative is we can use the print function here by passing in the variable. So print followed by first name variable, and then we have Harry as output. So coming back to the string above, we can replace these two strings, Harry and Potter, with our variable first name and last name in string interpolation. So that will be print, hi, my name is, and then from this, we can then pass in our two variables. So they'll first be first name, followed by last name. And so there we have it, the string output using the two variables, first name and last name, to print the same string as above.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.